We're here at the Port Lincoln community-based shellfish reef that was deployed approximately 6 months ago in January 2026. We've decided to come back in one of the coldest months to survey it. Mary and I are going to get in. We're super excited, and there's been reports from the local school students getting in with Manny of lots of oyster recruitment, so we're happy to record, excited to record that and just get a bit more of an overview of what the seafloor is looking like after 6 months. We're going to do some basic transect surveys where we're mapping seafloor coverage, so the percentage of seagrass, shell bags and bare sediment, because we're interested in changes in the interaction between the shellfish bags and the seagrass in particular over time. And we'll capture whatever mobile biodiversity is swimming around that, crabs, fish, hopefully some cephalopods. But what we're very interested in is pulling some of the bags out so we can really look at the life that's settled on those shell bags over the last 6 months, and to see if they're starting to form a bit of the living reef structure that we're trying to restore.
We are seeing a lot of oyster spat, which is great. Little baby oysters, you can see one in there. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. Like there. That's little oyster baby spat, which is awesome to see. We're also seeing a lot of other biodiversity, a lot of gastropods, some scallops, a lot of barnacles. It's pretty normal, but it's great to see.